introduction to Matrix32 inventory. Let's start with the overview of the information you will get collected with the inventory mechanism. So we'll check it on the machine PCD2000, which is your client in your demo environment. With the context menu properties, you will get the information in the inventory area. You will see now an overview of the machine information, network information and operating system information. DMI information is collected from the BIOS area. WMI information is collected from the Microsoft Windows system area. See here the different levels of information. Hardware information like hard disk is collected. The information of the network card and the network configuration, services which are installed in the machine and their status, installed software, and further information of this installation is collected. License information of Microsoft products is collected, installed patches too, and user-defined values will be also available with the inventory mechanism. In the demo environment, the inventory package is installed on the PCD2000. The standard way of this is to roll out the inventory package, and on this way on the startup area a link will be created. So that means that with any login of the user, inventory scanning mechanism starts, and you will get in the environment here actualized informations. Another way to integrate the inventory is to integrate it with a login script, for example, because the Matrix32 inventory is agentless. That means you are really flexible with the integration of the inventory, and on this way you can collect very fast and very flexible and easy information from your environment. We have seen the collected information directly on the PCD2000. With this information you can get an overview and reports. You will get a longer list of integrated reports in the Matrix32 solution, and let us check one of them. General information with inventory scan date. It's available. The reports are based on SQL Server reporting services. That means you are completely flexible to edit, to extend, or to create new reports. So I will check this one. In the reports, a drill down functionality is integrated. So double click on a machine PCD2000. You will get deeper and further information on this level. So this is one of the ways to get information, to get a list of information. Another way is to create a listing in the management console. See here the inventory. So you can define lists you want to have the information, and you can define the column view on this profiles, so you can decide which information has to be shown and which not. So you are flexible in the information view, and to have an overview about with the collected information in your environment. So we have seen two ways. One is the reporting engine, and the other one is the listing information and the management console. But we want to have the possibility to take actions with this information. That means to react automatically on some events and on some information from the inventory mechanism. So we have integrated a filter mechanism. So on the context menu, filter, and we can create here filters. Any SQL sequences knowledge is not needed. So you see inventory software from the pull down menu, parameter, the product name, criteria like, and we want to look for machines on that any PDF software is installed. Now we will insert this filter. You can extend the filter with and or steps. That means, for example, to extend this filter, show me all machines where a PDF software is installed and on the machine is more than 8 GB on memory. So I will create this one here, and now we see here the filter is created on the left side. The machines are listed here. Right down you will get the number of the machines, and you can export if you want this information to a comma separated file. But the filter is not only here to create a list. You can create actions. That means you can define automatism steps after with this listing information. Filter actions. What does that mean? You can create, for example, an alarming. So you will get on any changes on this filter list email information, or you can define software distributions or assign computers to groups inside the environment. An example can be to create a filter action, show me all machines where an antivirus scanner is not installed, or the antivirus scanner is installed but no actual signature files are integrated, or the antivirus software package is installed but the service is not running. So you can create action with software distribution, and you can then add the antivirus package, and you can define that this antivirus package has to be installed on the machine. So you see with the inventory information you can get an overview with reporting, with listing, with filters, and with this information you can do automatically some further technical steps. With the inventory mechanism, we have seen the collected information. You can install a further package. Is the Imperium application users tracking service. What does that mean? You can collect information about the running time and the last starting date of an application. The reason is, with the inventory mechanism you will get the information about installed packages, and with the application user tracking service you will get further information, so you can define any steps if a software is not used or has not been used in the past. So you can uninstall it automatically if you want, because of any licenses costs. So these steps can be done automatically with the mechanism on the Matrix42 Unified Endpoint Management. In the management console, we do not only see inventory information from Windows machines, Mac OS X machines, and Linux machines. We will have also information about our enterprise mobility solution and the integrated devices there. So we'll go here to iOS as an example. On the context menu we have an inventory overview. So we'll get the list of iOS, drill down mechanism, and so we have now the inventory of an iPad. So you see here we have in our Matrix42 management console our unified endpoint management solution, not only the operating system based devices from Microsoft, Mac OS X and iOS. We have all and Linux. We have also mobile devices here integrated, and so you can get here in the management console information from further devices. Thanks.